TV. Yes, camera.
Hey guys, welcome to another Yardie Belly video, vlog, whatever you call it.
On a Friday!
It's a Friday and we are out here trying to get us some awesome dining experiences.
Some grubs.
And today we're gonna show you what we're having. We're gonna be eating at
SUK KHO THAI.
SUK KHO THAI?
SUK KHO THAI.
Alright, so we've passed this place a number of times and we've always wanted to try it out and never gotten a chance to stop, so we said today is the day.
It is the day.
Today is the day. Okay? Alright, so let's go try it out. We have not heard anything about it. We actually researched them and they don't have nothing on Instagram. One photo and it's not a photo of a food. And even on their website they don't show pictures of their food. We didn't have time to do a review, so this is really us just taking a deep dive. Right? So yeah.
Make we go check it out. Come. So we're in SUK KHO THAI, which is a ramen spot and sushi spot, Thai spot in Port St Lucie off Bayshore. Quite unassuming little place, preparatory place, and we're about to try some of their foods. And definitely guys, I'm gonna keep you in the loop as to what's going on. I'm gonna show you what we ordered, and of course we're gonna give you our review when we're done. I'm here with this lady here. Let me show you her. That lady over there. Sorry.
The ride or die is here, as usual.
Let me take back my phone. So I will keep you posted as to what really goes down. So far, the prices on their menu is very extensive, and the prices are competitive. The place is very nice. It's a nice ambience, real nice.
Nothing upscale, but
yeah,
for dining. Hi, are you in my nose?
Tell me that. Say.
No, I was saying it's nothing upscale, but for just a, you know, regular
It's
sit
not
down.
formal.
It's not formal, right? But for a sit-down place, you can see that they put effort into cleaning it, and they open at 4:30 for dinner.
They actually close between lunch
They
and
close
dinner.
between lunch and dinner, and so when you come in, it's a nice, clean, fresh environment. Everything is
How's the
pristine.
staff so far?
So far, very accommodating. You know, I mean, we asked a lot of questions, so they're very accommodating. You know, no negativity.
The next thing that we also noticed is that there was a crowd. There was people waiting in their car for dinner service, and that says a lot. You know, the menu, as I said before, let's go back to the menu. Them have full Thai, you know, food, dishes. You know, they also have duck. They have a certain level. They have some Japanese fare, katsu, which is Japanese. They have fresh sushi being made by the sushi chef, and it's just an overall nice vibe. You know, so definitely we're gonna make you know what is, you know, the full end result of our visit here. First time here, and we ordered a couple of stuff that we wanted to order. So yeah, more stuff coming after this. I'll figure it out.
As you guys can see, the menu is very extensive. You know, we were flipping through and, you know, trying to, you know, zero in on. And when it's your first time and you're not really familiar with the items on the menu, yeah, it can be a little bit overwhelming to choose. But I chose, guys, I got rice.
Yeah, chai chai rice. I never know said.
That's what it comes with. I didn't tell her. Yeah, that's what it comes with. It comes with jasmine rice. I was looking to see if they had any other options. I didn't want noodle because he was getting noodle.
Well, it's either rice or noodle.
Yeah. So there you have it, guys. You heard it from me. Okay. So guys, we're here celebrating over the people next door us, over their food. Our food is here. Oh, that's the wings. Yes.
See, we're back.
Yeah, but our neighbors over there, they're the ones be having the bomb food. Yeah, they're having
Oh, you're
bomb
gonna send
food.
that to me, right?
Yeah, they're having fried tempura sushi. I didn't even know that was a thing. Pardon my very unexposed palate. But yeah, the wings look good though.
A photo.
Yeah, I think we're gonna be coming back here tomorrow and Monday and the next day. How is it?
It's good. Crispy fried with like a ponzu sauce on top and some fried garlic. It's good. So here we have it. This is the wifey's, and this is mine, which is latna, something to that effect. Yeah, but it's served with noodles. Let me show you guys the noodles. With these big broad noodles underneath. See that? You're taking some photos, guys.
So you know when X blew up his orange color? And then he redid it again? He did. When I had the orange
So the noodles, babes, the broad noodles.
and it made 800 horsepower.
I'm just showing you. It's like handmade noodles.
Thick spaghetti looking.
So after dinner, we spend a little bit of time talking with our neighbors, chatting with our neighbors about Jamaican food. As usual, you know, everywhere I go, I have to strike up conversations about Jamaican food. We had some Japanese green tea to wash down the food, and the whole vibe was just a nice little space. The space was very quaint, very small, but it was friendly. The atmosphere was good. We felt good around these people. You know, the wifey totally enjoyed her meal and she enjoyed her tea. Yes, we definitely will be ordering tea next time. But trust me, guys, it was such a good little vibes. We hardly realized that we spent well over an hour in SUK KHO THAI. So, yeah, after dinner and just before we left, we got a chance to check out their sushi chef. I can't say it good, but he was making fresh sushi rolls rather, and it was really good to see him working and how meticulous he was in creating his dish. And guys, if you wanted, you could just go for fresh sushi. They have it on call. Sashimi, you know, fresh. Everything was done fresh. And that's the thing about this restaurant that I really liked. The fact that nothing was pre-made and put on. Everything that was ordered was either, you know, finished up or properly done, you know, in the right space of time. For a proprietary restaurant and not a formal dining, it felt like they really did a good job in preparing your food. Yeah, I love the sushi action there, and I definitely will be back for more sushi next time we come to SUK KHO THAI. This is our first time there, but it will not be our last time. It's gonna be our go-to place for Asian meals until we find the next one, you know, that compares. And yeah, we keep hunting for good food in and around our local area. So we're gonna do a review now and show now what really go on at SUK KHO THAI. Come join me now, cause I run out now and give the review in the car. So guys, we're just coming from the restaurant now, and it was awesome. It was a good meal. The place quickly got filled when we got there. First and foremost, when we got there, you know, they weren't open because this restaurant opens in the morning and then close at 2:30 and then open back at 4:30.
Right.
So they get rid of the lunch crowd totally and then open back for dinner. And unbeknownst to us, when we got there was like maybe 3 guys standing waiting. And then a car full of people came right before they opened. And then people just kept coming out of their cars. And before we knew it, we were in a full restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and that shows that the food is in demand. The waiting staff, as we said before, them was good. They were okay. They came and they, you know, to be honest with you, I was actually looking to see what kind of service, if we're gonna get any type of expeditious service, and they were, you know, them come deal with it right away. The girl made
they didn't really serve the food based on the order in which people entered, but I guess they wouldn't know anyway.
Can them ask if you're ready?
No, but even aside from that, there's another table that got served before us, and we were in before them.
Right, because the people them just come in and know what they want, so they just order.
No. Before they came to us, the guys beside us they took their order, but they were behind us. The
Right.
3 guys them.
Right.
Yeah. So I thought something was up with that, but then I quickly realized that, you know, they wouldn't have known anyway the order in which the people came in. Everybody just came in and was seated, and so I mean, the person that we got, she was pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
You know, very patient.
Mm-hmm.
And very forthcoming with, you know, answering the questions that we had and stuff.
Right.
So the food was nice. I liked everything. The only thing is, I think the salt level is a little bit high for my dish.
Mine too.
But it's just the sauce. But if it tastes like the shrimp on its own, it was perfect. But the sauce itself was just overly salty. So
right. And I didn't want rice, guys, because again, you know, it's been several months since me eating the rice, so me they avoid the rice as much as possible. I got some the wide egg noodles, rice noodles, the wide ones, and the thing is, for the dish that we took, you know, we I think we could, if we had taken other type of dishes, other type of food, it would have been at a different level, but we just stick to a certain level to what we really wanted. We weren't adventurous. Mm-hmm. We never going a sushi and that, and the sushi station was awesome. I got to film the guy making one eel roll with the smoked eel, and that was awesome. You know, the guys beside us took sushi as well, but they took the fried one because they had a tempura butter type of sushi roll. Mm-hmm. And we're definitely gonna try that again. Overall, the food was good, and they had tea. You know, we had a look at Japanese tea. Them have hot sake. It's a nice little mid-level sit-down restaurant where them have a takeout side to it. Them do grub up and them type of thing. If you're in Port St Lucie and you want something a little bit of a cut above the rest, if you want to explore Japanese, Thai cuisine, not just the basic Chinese blah blah blah, it's a nice place to go. Their menu, as we said, is extensive, and so I would definitely recommend to anybody to go over there, and we will be going back again. You understand?
And the flavors taste authentic.
Yeah.
Like they don't skimp on, like if the basil is an ingredient,
you
actually taste the basil. And you know, it didn't taste over Americanized like a lot of the Asian restaurants tend to do to meet the American palate. They didn't do that.
One thing I know about American Thai food and American Asian food, like in Thai cuisine, fish sauce is a predominant ingredient. But one of the things that they do is hold it down in the menu. This is one of the things that they basically will subdue the flavor off, because the smell that goes with fish sauce is very obnoxious. And you know, the American people, they must say, "Ah, that dog gonna cook in here, dead animal not cooking here," because it smells so strong. But I promise you, if you are in the area, if you're coming from Stewart, if you're coming from Fort Pierce or Vero Beach or anywhere like that, SUK KHO THAI is a comfortable place. You have to get there early though, as you won't get a seat. The place is small, clean, fresh. The place smells fresh. It's not a brand new place. The building is old and you can see the age. Like when you go into the restroom was clean, but you can see the age. You know, it's not that, you know, it's not no bashment.
And no young bud.
Yeah, but it was worth it. So remember to check with on Fridays we're gonna start go out and show the different places them in and around our local area, the places where we travel. And you know, showing how I go on with the food. If the food not tastes good, we're gonna tell you point blank, straight up. No, you know, yeah. The chicken wings was, I love chicken wings. Chicken wing was good. Again, it was salty. That sauce that they use, the predominant sauce that they have, carry a little up the salt content. So you have to know that. The garnish was generally carrot and kale in every dish. It was carrot and kale, but it wasn't a deal breaker. My meal, which was the lardna, which I had with pork, I had that one with pork. That meal was okay. Out of 5, I would say 2.7. Out of 5, I would give that meal. And the only reason why, because one, again, the salt was a little bit, you know, and then the noodles were a little bit overdone to the point where they were too, it was too, the noodle was a little bit too soggy. Her meal looked very good. The serving, you give them a 3? Out of 5.
It was, the shrimp was cooked perfectly.
Yeah.
You know,
so it's 3.5, because the only thing I think was...
You cannot say that. It's my food.
Me said 3.5. The only thing was that little salt thing that shot up a little bit. The onions were perfectly cut. The vegetable was springy and still nice. You know, I didn't taste the rice, so I don't know. You know, but it was good. And she got what, 7 shrimps? No man, they tell to the people them, you know, man. Don't we supposed to tell them the real thing about the food?
Alright, how much noodle you get?
Really? That's the noodle was indistinguishable. But for real though, we get about 7 shrimps and
it was good size shrimp, not no little.
Yeah, it was big shrimp. It wasn't 7 little shrimp like what them put in a fried rice. You know, it was big size shrimp and the meal was good. The tea was okay. We thoroughly enjoyed our experience. The ambience was good, and the guys who sat beside us gave us permission to show them food, and it was just nice.
And they also dropped some gems.
Tell you what to buy and what not to buy. And them actually was offering us some of them food, but you know, me I said no, I'm gonna eat from people. You know, but that's the type of place where you want to go, where people are friendly. Even the lady, another customer was chiming in on the conversation and stuff. Another patron. So so guys, make sure you check it out if you're not in the area. Yeah, and
what name? SUK KHO THAI.
SUK KHO THAI. And so Yardie Belly TV out again with another banger. You understand? All these food places around town, beware, because now that I am slimish, we shall be coming to your city next. I mean your restaurant next. Guys, big up on yourself. Have a good evening. Live and laugh, cook, and go a road, go buy food instead. Hold on, I'm dry my belly. Go ahead, girl.
We just finished eat the food. We just finished at the place, and the place is nice.
Start over back.